think it hit me on the L, like in the summer there's a smell that this job is breaking me down. Like what you doing trying to spell. I saw my face in the reflection, eyes it wasn't hard to tell. Need to pause and change up direction. Out the time that I excel, I've been staring at this computer screen. The green it might avail all my effort and dedication. Not enough to stop the bills, never mind it caught me designing. No time to recline and chill. Come to find the kind of life I had in mind, it wasn't real. I heard the city was electric, that was something I could feel. The only thing is it get hectic with your hand on that third rail. The blip told me it's yours. The speaker said kick your sneakers and watch the closing doors.
What's the key to life? Money, power, success? Time waits, don't know how many hours is left. Before that envy hit him and niggas plot on your death. Thought everything was Gucci, didn't know that I was the best. The wrong ones that fought with them bullets shy with your flesh. Game moves, nothing for forensic artists to sketch. Never introduced my kids to a bitch I hardly respect. I never harbor feelings, that's something I often neglect. I'm staying out the way of that fuck shit that y'all project. No Serato came in this bitch with the record set. Protect your neck, goons is lurking, inspect the deck. You looking like a lick to a nigga that's check the check. Yeah. Stop it, you not Hercules. I'm certainly taking the threats as hyperboles. These squares fall in love with these bitches with my surgery. I told her slurp the D till it hurts the knees. She know to give me time at the top of the morning, bitch. I got certain needs. Motor grass into the serpent bleed. The pastor is a pimp, pay the church's fees. They will not repent, just eat all our cheese. They tried to box me in like Tito Ortiz. Pray your hands, grief and more RIPs. Are y'all not entertained? No, you not appeased. I pray that when we perish that we all get peace. Money, love, more time with my seed. Shit, that's all I need.
It hit me on the drive when I was on the 405 that this life is a 90s tune, cause she do be passing me by. And if all I wanted was dough and to have a spot in the sky, then why would I have tried to flow? I don't know, I must have been high. I recall a few years ago, it was so cold in Queens I could die. In LA in December, hard to forget if it ain't July. I got your message, I'm working on the reply. It occurred to me to switch up for a flip phone sometimes. I be seeing people say I should switch tones, you kind. I appreciate the time, don't think so, I'm fine. Long as I ain't think I'm doing my thing, thanks. It's palm blowing in the wind outside of my window and it's sublime. Was sitting out on my porch before the storm, now I'm inside looking from behind my closing doors.
We are giving away products every month at factionmotorsports.com, so every $5 spent gets you one entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For this month, we're giving away an Origin Labo body kit, so this is one of our biggest giveaways of the year. So definitely head over there and put those orders in this month to make sure you get your next body kit locked down for 2026.